Hey, what's up, guys? Want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I show you the niche, I want to show you my two print-on-demand courses that I am selling on Gumroad. One is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $19.99 and you get 16 lessons with over an hour of content. This is good for people that are new to merch or that are struggling to get sales. And I also have one for Redbubble as well. It's also a step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble, also $19.99. In this one, you get 20 lessons, and it's over an hour, and you get over an hour of content. Again, also good for people that are new onto Redbubble, or maybe people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble. Here are my credentials on merch. I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've made over 10,000 sales, and I've made over $35,000 in royalties. And if you look at my credentials on Redbubble, you'll see that over the past few months, I did 266 in May, 317, and then 248. So if you're interested in these links or in these courses, the links will be in the description, and I'll also have them as a pinned comment. Okay, now let's get back to the content. So the niche that I have for you today is Happy Hallow Thankmas, and this is basically a triple cross niche of Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, basically saying Happy Halloween, Happy Thanksgiving, and Merry Christmas, basically all in one shirt. This is what the designs are looking like right here. So you can see you got a little bit of Halloween, then a little bit of Thanksgiving, then a little Christmas. People are using this with gnomes, flamingos, like coffee drinks, wine, so you can get pretty creative. Or you can just use a witch, turkey, and a Santa. When we look at the competition for this, we'll see there's only 231 results. And if we look at these first couple designs right here, these two, we will see that they were just uploaded a couple weeks ago, so September 14th, September 12th, and they already are getting sales. You can see that pretty good BSRs. If we look on test to see if this word is trademarked, Happy Hallow Thankmas, and we hit enter, we will see that nothing comes up, so good to go there. Competition on Etsy is a little higher than I like, almost 3,000. But if you put your design on free shipping and on sale, that's going to help it rank a little higher. You can also get some ideas here, and you have to check to see if you can use these for commercial use. But you might be able to find a good PNG file or design that you can just use. A lot of times, if I can't find it on Vexels, I'll come to Etsy, and like this right here could be a good one. But just make sure before that you buy it, you have to check the description and just make sure that you're allowed to use it for commercial use, because sometimes it'll say whether it's allowed or not allowed. So just double check before you make the purchase. And then if we go on to Redbubble, we will see that there's 4,293 results. Again, a little higher than I like, but still not too bad. You can get some ideas. And on TeePublic, I actually thought there were some good ideas here. So right here you have a skeleton that has a little bit of a turkey and Santa Claus has, so I thought it was pretty creative. Same here with the cat. This is a text design with the turkey. So you might be able to get some good ideas here as well. And I'm telling you, don't sleep on TeePublic. If you look right here, you can see for the month, $225. That's what I've made so far for this month. Now I know that's not like crazy amount of money. If you're in the United States, that's probably just like gas money basically. But if you live outside of the United States, like me, I live in Mexico. That pays my rent right there. So definitely get your designs uploaded onto TeePublic. And that is basically going to be the niche for today. You can go to Vexels and check out to see if you can get some good graphics there. I have an affiliate link in the description. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I put out videos on lately about almost every other day on trend niches that are trending, design ideas. If you go to my YouTube channel, you can get some more ideas as well. So here I have some playlists, like my recent uploads and my September 2022 Trending Niches playlist. We got some good Halloween's one here, like this one right here. And there was another one as well, this one right here. So if you're looking for design ideas, check out my channel. And hopefully you can get some ideas to help you get some sales on print-on-demand websites. All right, so that's going to be the niche for today. Thanks so much for watching. Consider subscribing. And if you're interested in those courses, check out the links in the description. All right, see you on the next one. Bye-bye.